Namaste, friends. A 60-year-old pensioner is driven by the idea of raising funds for providing cooked meals to the migrants in his city. That has brought a whole lot of enthusiasm, positivity, and energy within him. He's found a purpose to his existence and he's making the most out of it. In the same time, a 40-year-old successful businessman who has created a lot of wealth for himself, and technically speaking he should be a happy person, but he's feeling a void within and he's trying to fill up that void by distracting himself. The main difference in these two scenarios is that the pensioner has found a purpose, basically a thought that is beyond himself, that is beyond his family, that is beyond his friends. Whereas the businessman has not risen beyond himself. So that enthusiasm and energy is lacking there. So the quality of our thoughts can bring a sea change to the experience that we have through the day and through this life. So if each one of us is investing time and energy in realizing that the purpose to our life can be beyond us, thinking of possibilities that are there beyond us can bring huge change in our consciousness, in our experience, and in our growth. I urge you to take some time out to consider that are you living the full potential of yourself? Is the thoughts that you have uplifting or just mediocre or average level? The choice is yours. Realizing that you have a choice here can bring so much change to your experience in the daily life. Please invest time on this and live a fulfilled life. Namaste.